Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make Asooke Buba. So first and foremost, we're going to get our fabric, which is the Asooke, and we're going to open it and then split it into two. We're going to be splitted the needed section so we can create one piece. When sewing Asooke, you have to place one piece on top of another piece to get out a straight fabric so that we can use that straight fabric to create the buba that we need. And when placing it, it should be at around half inch or less than half inch so we don't waste the entire fabric. So while trimming off the excessive parts that we don't need, because the buba length we need is 27 inches, we are going to do well to double stitch on top of all the other cut pieces so that it doesn't lose out. If you're having issues with fixing bias, do well to watch my video on how to fix bias armhole in the description below. So from the neckline of the buba to where the shoulder ends is about 8 inches, and the sleeve of the buba that we're attaching is 10 inches, that's 18. So we're going to be folding off 2 inches, so our sleeve length is going to be 16. I usually start sewing from the center of the sleeve so that equal parts is shared. So I don't have excess on one part and the other part is now smaller. Now we're going to repeat the same thing for the second sleeve. So from where we started sewing, you are going to measure 14 inches for an adult. For a child, you can use 13 or 12. That's where we are going to turn around to sew. That's the open slit for both sides. Next, you're going to measure the buba from the shoulder to the length, 27 inches, and the excess I got was 1.5, so that's what I'm folding. If you enjoyed this video, do well to watch my other tutorial videos on how to make a graduation gown.